the 2005 BMW 325. This two-door, five-passenger coupe provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.